Okay guys, I'm just gonna give like a little cleaning hack that I use to clean my baseboards and everything. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. You guys can use whatever measurements you want, but this is just what I'm using. I'm gonna use a half a cup of water. I just use warm water, and I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and it's a half a cup of water, warm water. I'm using warm water. So, and I just got a spray bottle, just got it from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna pour it all and mix it all in here, and then I'm gonna clean my baseboards. It's just a little simple method, and it's just like a natural cleaner, so you don't have to put all of those harsh things on your baseboards. Of course, I like to dust my baseboards before I actually use this, so I'll dust them first. I'm gonna, sweep and everything like that, and then dust, and then I'm just gonna take a microfiber cloth. Yeah, so guys, I just use microfiber cloths just like to clean with, and I have them color coded. So like for my bathrooms, I use blue, and then for my kitchen, I may use yellow and different things like that. And I do wash these separately. This is a brand new pack that I actually got, but I washed them all before I started, or before I'm going to begin using them or whatever. But yeah, I got these off of Amazon, and I'll link them below. But yeah, this is just a simple cleaning method. So hope you like it. Bye.